Ndashaka kubanza kwihanganisha abarokotse Jenoside yakorewe Abatutsi mu 1994 cyane cyane abo turi kumwe hano mu murenge wa Muhima. Ku kibazo warumbajije biratangaje kubona amateka y'iki gihugu. Nje gato navutse nyuma gato ya Jenoside yakorewe Abatutsi. I am a post-genocide generation. Ariko complexity ya history y'u Rwanda igera kuri buri muntu wese. Ntabwo bisaba kuba waravukiye hano, ntabwo bisaba kuba warabaye hano mu gihe cya Jenoside yakorewe Abatutsi. Ni yagize ingaruka kuri buri muntu wese, kuri buri munyarwanda wese, ku gihugu muri rusange. So birababaje rero kubona urubyiruko tuvuga ngo iki gihugu kirimo urubyiruko, umubare munini w'urubyiruko, tukaba dusa nkaho twirengagiza the extreme pain and the complexity of this history. It beats human understanding. Nobody can fathom what happened in this country. Kubona umuryango mvukamo kubera ingaruka zayo mateka navukiye hanze y'igihugu. Ariko umuryango wanjye aba benshi bari ku rugamba rwo kubohora iki gihugu. Iyo nganiriye nabo bakubwira ko kugera muri iki gihugu ugasanga imiryango yose yabo bayimaze, ariko under the leadership of a President Paul Kagame bakakubwira yuko batagomba kwihorera. Ntago ari ikintu, you can't fathom that. Ntago ushobora kumva izo mbaraga ahantu zavaga. So nk'urubyiruko rero aya mateka ni amateka dukwiriye kwiga tukamenya, tukagira uruhari rwo guhangana n'abayapfobya, kuko urugamba byanga bikunda rw'amasasu rwararangiye. Urugamba turiho nonaha n'urwo kugira ngo dusigasire amateka yacu, dusigasire ibyo igihugu kimaze kugeraho, kandi ntago twabikora tutabizi. We should be a generation of renewal. We should be a generation that is accountable. We should be a generation that steps forward to speak the truth. We should be a generation that fosters a unified Rwandan identity. Uruhari rwacu rwa mbere ni ukugira ngo twiga aya mateka, kuko ntawe utanga icyo adafite. Ntago wahangana n'aba bantu utabizi. Abenshi bigiza nkana, kuko abenshi ntago wavuga ko batabizi. The complexity of this history of this country is very clear. So tureke kwigiza nkana n'abandi tubona bashukwa bakoreshwa. Ntago turi urubyiruko rukwiriye gukoreshwa. Ntago turi urubyiruko rukwiriye gushyira imbere inda nini. Iki gihugu ntago gitwemerera kuba reckless to that point. So we should be a generation of renewal, a generation that is accountable, a generation that stands tall to speak the truth, to share what happened in this country, because it's our primary role, so that we can build a country that is unified on the Rwandan identity. Thank you.